In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Big Cartel logo from your website. Whether you're a designer, artist, or creative small business owner, customizing your online presence can be pivotal in establishing your brand identity. Removing the Big Cartel logo is one of those minor tweaks that can make a big difference in how your website looks and feels. So let's dive in and walk you through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to Big Cartel's website. Open your web browser and type in the URL to get started. Once you've landed on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on the login button. This will direct you to the login page where you'll be prompted to enter your shop URL along with your password. Take a moment to ensure both entries are correct to avoid any login errors. Once you've done that, click on the login button again to proceed. Upon entering your dashboard, you'll find various options to customize and manage your store. The next step is to locate the account tab, which is found in the menu options. Click on account to proceed. Under the account settings, you'll see an option for shop design. This is the key area where you'll be making changes, so go ahead and click on it. Next, you'll be taken to an overview of your shop's design settings. Look for the section that says Go to Shop Designer. Clicking on this will bring you into the area where all your site's design customizations happen. From here, you want to direct your attention to the code section, which is typically located alongside other design options. Once you're inside the code editor, look for the CSS option, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. This is where the visual styling of your website is controlled. Click on CSS to open it. As you scroll through, you'll be looking for the footer section, as this is typically where branding elements like the Big Cartel logo are included. After you've located the footer within the CSS code, the next action is straightforward. Simply delete the code snippet associated with the Big Cartel logo. Make sure you're only removing the section of code related to the logo to avoid unintentionally altering other parts of your site layout. Once that's done, save your changes before exiting, and that's it. You have successfully removed the Big Cartel logo from your website, giving it a cleaner and more branded look. Remember, making these kinds of customizations brings you one step closer